Now, the only machine that we have to put on our domain is the Kali Linux machine that we're going to be using for our penetration testing. So if you only have one network adapter, if you're using a virtual machine, just turn off your Kali Linux, then go to the settings and add an adapter, and then set it to host only. Remember, you can't put it on the NAT network or bridge it, because then it will get its IP address from the DHCP server in your home, which is usually the router, like your home router that you get from the ISP. Now, to do that, we just go to the top right-hand section of our screen and click on the network icon. Then we're going to go down to where it says network, and we're going to configure the network. So you could change the name if you want. I'm going to leave mine as is. Then one important thing right below where it says router, ensure that that small box there is checked off where it says use this connection only for resources on this network. So it's very important that you click the icon. Then apply the changes, then close it, and then check our if configuration. If we're getting the IP address from the Windows 2008 server that we configured. So type ifconfig and then you'll see the IP address that has been assigned to the different interfaces on your Kali Linux machine. Or Ethernet 1, you can see that we are getting our IP address from the DHCP server that we configured earlier, which is 192.168.66.102. So that IP address is telling us everything is configured correctly, and we're getting our IP address from the DHCP server that we configured earlier. So this concludes setting up our virtual lab for penetration testing. So I look forward to seeing you in the next couple of videos. Then we could go through the good stuff, where we could do some penetration testing, scanning, and vulnerability testing. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you guys want to support Web Original, go over to weboriginal.info and you could sign up to be a supporter of Web Original. You don't have to, but it means a lot to Web Original if you do. And I'll see you next time.